LG TVs turning on with sound or a power light but showing nothing on the screen can feel frustrating, but most of the time, the cause is simple and fixable at home. Before assuming the screen is dead, try these safe steps that often bring the picture back. Start with a full power cycle. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, and keep it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the TV's power button for about 30 seconds to release any remaining charge inside the components. Then plug it back in and turn it on. If the screen is still black, test a different wall outlet to make sure the issue isn't power related. Next, check all your cables. Make sure the power cable is firmly connected at the back of the TV. Then unplug and reconnect your HDMI cables. Switch to another HDMI port if your TV has one, and try a different HDMI cable if possible. If you're using devices like a Fire Stick, cable box, or gaming console, disconnect and reconnect them. Sometimes the TV does turn on but is stuck on the wrong input. Press the input or source button on the TV and cycle through all HDMI inputs. If you see the LG logo or menu but not your device, then the issue is with the external device and not the TV. You can also press the volume button on the TV. If the volume indicator appears, the screen is working but showing no signal. If the screen remains black, try turning on the TV using its built-in power button instead of the remote. If it turns on this way, the remote may be the problem. Replace the batteries, and if the remote still feels unresponsive, remove the batteries and press all buttons firmly to clear any stuck contacts before putting new batteries in. Another essential test is the flashlight test. With the TV turned on, shine a flashlight closely at the screen. If you can see faint images or menus, the backlight may have failed. If you see no image at all, it's likely a signal issue or a deeper hardware problem. To isolate external devices, unplug everything from the TV. Turn on the TV with only the power cable connected. If the TV now shows a menu or LG logo, reconnect your devices one at a time until you find the one causing the black screen. Temperature can also affect some panels. If the TV has been running for a long time, let it cool down before turning it back on. If the room is extremely cold, warm the front of the TV gently to help the panels start properly, but avoid heaters or anything that blows direct heat. If none of these steps bring the picture back, and you never see the LG logo, the flashlight test shows no image, or the picture only flashes briefly before going dark, it may be a backlight, T-con, or panel issue that requires service. That's it for this guide on fixing an LG TV with sound but no picture. I hope these steps helped you get your TV working again. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing for more simple tech fixes. Did one of these methods work for you, or are you still having issues? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear what happened. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.